So two vratas we have to perform. One is 40 days vrata, approximately, not exactly 40 days. It is around 40 days. That we will know why around 40 days. Are you hearing me? Hello?
Guru,
Yes,
we
Guruji,
can.
we are hearing you.
Okay, okay. Then. So around 40 days, we will learn why around 40 days, why not exactly afterwards. And one more vrata, it is one day vrata. Only one day we will perform. These two vratas we will perform to have baby of our choice. So first we should know what is vrata, why to do vrata, who need to do vrata, who need not do the vrata. So both of you unmute video for a while. Anand video unmute ಮಾಡಿ.
Guruji, ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
So who need not do vrata is, so whoever says whatever I have, if those qualities comes to my child, it's okay. So whatever my brilliancy is, whatever my health is, whatever my emotions are, whatever my spiritual contentment is, if that much is enough in my child, those parents need not do any vrata. As it is, even if you conceive today, whatever you are, all the qualities will come in your child. So you need not do any vrata. Who has to do vrata? See, my child should be more healthy than me physically, and he should have more peacefulness, positive emotions. He should have more brilliancy than me. He should have more contentfulness than me, and he should have all the great qualities. Those people only should do the vrata. Otherwise, you need not do. You go directly to for the conceiving. So why vrata is, whatever we want the qualities in the child, those qualities if we inculcate in us, if we can bring in us, then effortlessly, automatically, those qualities come in the child by the genes itself. Even otherwise, after conceiving, after delivery, also they may get those qualities, but the efforts they have to put is tremendous efforts. They have to put. The child has to put. Then changes comes. If those qualities are in the parent, effortlessly comes to the child. So, the baby of your choice, whatever the qualities you want in your child, to bring in you those qualities, minimum 40 days requires. If you follow whatever the instructions are given by the Guruji, 40 days, and if you can make a list of the changes you want in your child, list of qualities you want in your child, and if you can bring those qualities in you in 40 days, then in your genes itself the child gets those qualities. So minimum time required is around 35 to 40 days. So you have change the genes. 35 to 40 days minimum is required. So that is why Vrata has kept. What is Vrata? Vrata is nothing but, so whatever I set rules for myself for 35 to 40 days, next 40 days. So I am committing myself that I will regularly follow those. So my commitment towards my decision, whatever the disciplines and rules I set for myself for these 40 days. So I wanted to commit for that. So without commitment, we can't follow the things. So you should conviction and commitment. Then only you can follow the rules set for yourself. Otherwise, you have seen. So I decided to get up tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock, but I could not. I will not. I decide not to drink coffee from tomorrow onwards. But tomorrow morning, I asked my wife to get me coffee. Like this. So I decide so many things, and I myself could not stick on to that because that commitment is not there and conviction is not there. So to uh, feel the strength to your own decision, this vrata is in the name of some god. If we surrender to some god and in the name of the god, if we start doing vrata, then we will have some fear also, and we will commit to our decisions. So that is what this vrata means. I am committing myself to my decisions. So from tomorrow onwards, these are the things I will follow, and I will stick on to it. So, what are all the things a person has to do during vrata? So you can note down if you want. One of you can note down. So when to start vrata? 40 days vrata I will tell you first. Afterwards, at the end I will tell you one day vrata. So when to start vrata? So when lady period starts, monthly period start, on that day, so you will start the vrata. So if it is afternoon, early in the morning, you can start on the same day. If the menses starts afternoon onwards, then it is better to start the vrata next day. So what are all the things we have to follow? See, early in the morning we have to wake up as early as possible. So, Brahmi Muhurta it is told. So, early in the morning, 3:30, 4 o'clock is Brahmi Muhurta. So, suddenly you cannot wake up at 3:30 or 4 o'clock. So, if you are habituated of getting up at 8 o'clock or 7:30, 7 o'clock, so you cannot wake up at 3:30. Even if you wake up, your body will not listen and you will feel somewhat uncomfortable and this thing. So tired even. So what you have to do is, so before 15 days itself, you have to practice getting up early. So before you start the vrata, 15 days before you have to start the practice of getting up early. One day 15 minutes early you will get up. So the next day you will get up 15 more minutes early. Like this, you will go on. So as early as possible you will get up, so that you can do all your sadhanas, whatever sadhana you have to do. To do, you will get time. So your because of the vrata, your day-to-day work should not suffer. So get up early as possible. And after your regular day-to-day washroom things, so you will jog for a while, about 10 minutes. Jogging you will do. Loosening exercises they have to do. Some exercise, some running or skipping or some exercises you will do. So afterwards, you will have bath. Cold water bath is good. Now summer days are there. It's very easy to have the cold bath. So that also, if you are having taking bath of hot water habit, then gradually you change. In a 15 days, you come to the cold water. So every day you will mix the cold water and hot water. You go on reducing the hot water mixing and cold water. You go on increasing and make a practice. And then, so the day you start the vrata, it is better to have the cold water bath. And both, and whatever I am telling, it is for both the couples. So better to have head bath. If anybody is having any problem, bronchitis or some breathing problem or cold and cough problem, wheezing problem, no, they need not take the head bath every day. Otherwise, every day having a head bath is good. Cold water head bath. So after the bath is over, so you will do the yogasana for 20-30 minutes. Whatever yogasanas you know, a set of yogasanas, 20 minutes. And then Gayatri Mantra 108 times. And then if you have any Ishta Devata, you are liking God. So that God's Nama Japa 108 times. So, and then Samadhi. So after pranayama, it is better to do the samadhi meditation. if you doesn't know samadhi meditation, you do whatever meditation you know. You need not worry. So after the meditation, Gayatri Japa and your Ishtadevata Japa. And then so at the time of sunrise, sharp sunrise time, if the sunrise is at 6:26 a.m., then you should reach the Ashwatha Vriksha. Early Katte we say. Ashwatha Vriksha, and you have to do the Namaskar, Pradakshina. So exactly at the sunrise time you should reach there and you should do the Pradakshina. So how many Pradakshinas? First day only one Pradakshina, and that too only husband will go and do it. Wife will not go for the Ashwatha Vriksha. So regarding Pradakshinas, next day 2 Pradakshinas, next day 3, next day 4, like this. Every day you will increase 1 Pradakshina till you reach 21 Pradakshinas. Afterwards, till the end of the Vrata, you will continue to do 21 Pradakshinas every day. So when to join wife to do the Pradakshina is when menses stopped, clear after 4 days or 5 days, whatever is, after the bath. So you will join your husband and both will go to the Ashwatha Vriksha from that day onwards. So, but you how many Pradakshinas wife has to do? Whatever the husband is doing, the number 4 or 5, so that much you will do. So this is about this Ashwatha Vriksha going only one time in the morning, not in the evening. After coming back, so you will start doing your own day-to-day works. So afternoon, before having what do you call lunch, afternoon, before having lunch, so you will do meditation and 108 times Gayatri Japa, and you will have the lunch. And in the evening, after you come back from the work, so first you will have the bath, cold water bath, and then you will do the pranayama. After pranayama, meditation. After meditation, again 108 times Gayatri Japa. Again Ishtadevata Japa. So these are the 3 times meditation, 3 times Gayatri Japa, 2 times Ishtadevata Japa, pranayama 2 times, 1 time yogasana is must. This much sadhana is must every day for both the couples. Regarding food, so in the morning for your breakfast, so early morning when you get up, no, after you before you brush your teeth, Do Ushapana. Ushapana means early in the morning having the warm water. So 3 glasses of warm water. You sit on the ground in squatting position, Sukhasana, and drink water. Sip by sip you will drink. So not gata gata you will drink. Sip by sip. You take 10 minutes to complete the 10-15 minutes to complete 3 glasses of water. Afterwards only you have to brush your teeth. So if you feel uncomfortable to do that, so in the previous day night before you go to bed, you brush your teeth and then go. Even you brush your teeth, don't use any toothpastes. So any Ayurvedic tooth powder you take it, maybe Dabur or any Ayurvedic tooth powder. With brush only you brush, no problem, but use the tooth powder. So Ushapana is one thing. After half an hour, after you take bath and come, so you have Goarka. Patanjali's you will get any this thing. You just ask Ramchandrapura Mata Goarka. Best is you ask Malnad Gidda Goarka. If you get, it's better Malnad Gidda Goarka. So 30 ml of Goarka and 100 ml of water, warm water. Mix it and just drink. So before you drink, so keep it in the mouth 2-3 minutes and gargle it. Then your teeth also gets cleansed and strength. So with that medicinal value, Goarka. So have this. And previous day night, you have to soak 3 things. Groundnuts, 1 fistful of groundnuts. Wash and soak it in the water. And one or 2 anjuras. And then what do you call til? Til means in Kannada ellu. In
ಬಿಳಿ ಎಳ್ಳ ಕರಿ ಎಳ್ಳ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಕರಿ ಎಳ್ಳು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಳಿದಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೈಲಾನ್ ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೇಡ. తెలుగులో నువ్వులు అంటాం కదమ్మా, నువ్వులు. These 3 and badam, 4 badams, almond. So all these 4 items you have to soak. So amma
నువ్వులు ఎన్ని సోక్ చేయాలి?
1 స్పూన్.
1 స్పూన్ ఈచ్, ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కొక్క స్పూన్.
అవునమ్మా, అవునమ్మా, ఒక్కొక్కరికి 1 స్పూన్. సో నేను ఏది చెప్తున్నానో ఒక్కరికి ఇది అంత.
ಗುರುಜಿ ಇದು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇದು?
ಹೌದೌದು. So this you have to when to use this. Before breakfast, half an hour before, you have to eat this slowly. Keep it to the almond. You remove the what do you call bark. ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ if you can't eat groundnuts directly, So with jaggery should be organically made. Organic jaggery you have to buy. All the things whatever you eat during the vrata, it should be organic only, naturally grown only. ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾವಯವ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಂಪಲು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಇವನ್ನೇ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ದೇಸಿ ಹಸುವಿನ ಹಾಲು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಮೊಸರು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ? ವ್ರತದ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 40 ದಿವಸ. ಗರ್ಭಧಾರಣೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಮ್ಮ, ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ? Milk, curd, milk, ghee, everything should be natural, organic. Now desi cows we have to use during the vrata period.
Guruji,
One second. So this is getting expired. I have to call my assistant. So for the breakfast, organically grown fruits you use. So it will be sufficient stomach full you eat for fruits, organically grown, naturally grown fruits. So next, lunch, regular lunch you take, reduce the spice and along with your regular cooked food you have vegetable pieces, organically grown vegetable pieces like carrot, cucumber, mooli, methi bhaji, ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಈ ಥರದ್ದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ತಿನ್ನಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ರಾ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So in the night, what is the food? So all raw salads, so vegetable salads. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೋಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮುದ್ದೆ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಮುದ್ದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 50% ಕುಕ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 50% ಈ ರಾ ಸಾಲಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆಯಾ? So raw vegetables, raw salads in the night. So we will use this. And during the daytime, so you can have juices, buttermilk, but don't have coffee, tea, all beverages, whatever is. And I need not tell all of you, smoking, drinking and all, we must stop. So this is our food. So you can have tender coconut, fresh fruit juices. Don't worry, n number of times you can have. No, the quantity you need not restrict for juices and other things. Yeah, whatever the quantity you can consume, you consume. You have it. So this is about the food.
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಗೋವರ್ಕ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಅದು ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 100 ml ಕುಡ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ one clarification is, see, your visit to the Ashwatha Vriksha must be exactly at that time. So whatever the sadhanas list I have given, if it is for example, you have completed your Gayatri mantra, but your Ishta Devata mantra, if you start, you cannot reach to the Ashwatha Vriksha. Then what you have to do, complete Gayatri mantra, don't start Ishta Devata mantra. You go to the Ashwatha Vriksha and come back, and then you can do the Ishta Devata japa. Likewise, whichever slot you can complete, you complete, and don't start and stop in the middle and go to the Ashwatha Vriksha and come. So likewise, so you do one vrata and you have little leisure, and then go to the Ashwatha Vriksha and come back. You continue your sadhanas. After coming back, you can continue your sadhanas. And along with this, in the evening, morning Ashwatha Vriksha Pradakshina will happen. In the evening, Agnihotra you will do. Learn the Agnihotra and start doing. You can go to YouTube. You can see the this thing videos, and you can learn. If you want, I will send you some links, Agnihotra links, so you can see those things. And mantra also I'll audio I will send. So evening Agnihotra, morning Ashwatha Vriksha Pradakshina. So the time is expiring, so we'll change our link.
Okay.